It's crazy hair time. Let's get in the pink. I'm going to show you what I mean, so stay tuned so you can see what happens. Hey Localtarians, it's Amanda and we're back for another little crazy hair time. We're gonna touch up the white, the purple and the blues. Still doing really good, but the pink is all but gone. There's like this one little streak left and the rest of it just faded out. Sorry there's so much sun, guys. I can't seem to get it in a good place where the sun's not smacking down on me, so I apologize. I'm either gonna be too light or too dark in this video. That's just the how-tos of it, I guess. There we go. Maybe that's just, well, okay. So here's what we're gonna try today. Something different, something I've never used. You can see I have my dye-in shirt on. And it's called Kiss Colors Semi-Permanent Tintation. And it's made with aloe vera water. And it says no ammonia, no peroxide, or sulfates. And guess what, guys? We're going atomic. Yes, atomic pink. So this is what we're going to be using. And basically what I've done here is I've ponytailed everything at the back and the bottom that I didn't want to be covered in this, okay? And this up here is just clipped. This is what we're going to be doing. This whole situation, which seems like a lot, and it kind of is, but I want this whole front part to be more pink. All right, so you can still see I got a little bit of pink left in here from before. Not a whole lot. You might hear the birds. They're up there running their mouths, so I apologize. All right, so with this one, it's pretty simple. It just says to put it on. And the rules say 15 minutes, but you know me, I'm gonna leave it on longer than that. And yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. And it says to do it with towel dried hair too. Mine's already dry. But I also know it's better than doing it on wet hair. So, all right, we're just gonna open this up. I imagine there's a safety cap, don't you? Let's check. No safety cap at all. That is some pink. Let's hope. All right, get you a little better view of that pink. What? All right, let's put that back on then. And let's just get started. I'll move you in for a little closer view. What I'm planning here. I'm just gonna get crazy with it. Oh man. Oh, I forgot my gloves. Oh man, I forgot her gloves. Now it's kind of too late, isn't it? Well, we're just gonna chance. We're gonna run without them. I got them in my pocket and I forgot all about them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here. Get it into that side real quick. Ooh, it smells nice, y'all. Look at that bright pink. Now we all know it's not going to be this pink when I'm done, sadly. It will, you know, wash out some. And this is just a semi-permanent, so I don't have a whole lot of hope for lastability. But we'll see what happens. Let's just put this in. This is what we're up to. I know, Brad Mondo would be quaking right now. Where's your separating? Where's your well, sectioning? That's the words. Well, today, we're just going all ham. And this is a section, technically. All right. Now I'm gonna have to move it back to get this front. That's what we're gonna do right now, I think. Get in there and get all that, because that is very important to me. I want this front to be more pink. That was the whole goal. I'm also gonna get this by my ears. So never see, wow. Guys, look at my hand. Let me see if I can get some light so you can get a better view of that. That is really pink, y'all. Real pink. I know the screen's dark. I'll try to bring it up. But wow. My ear's gonna be pink too. Okay, we're just gonna put a big glob of it there and leave it. Because I always miss those little areas, or maybe they're just resistant. I don't know. We're gonna put it back this way and get this side now and this other front part. Okay, here we go. And yes, I am planning to use that entire bottle. You're right. Now, some of you may be wondering, what did I pay? I paid $6 on Amazon. It was $5.99, I think it was, something like that. Still like I'm still missing this. My hands are gonna be pink for days, aren't they? Yeah, I missed it again, somehow. Okay. All right, let's see what we can do here. Whew. And if it bleeds into the others, it'll just make some really cool, you know, some mixed up colors. So I'm not really worried about that so much, because we've already got some purples up here too. I'm mostly trying to get this top area, but you know what? It's probably gonna end up going all the way down. So it is totally fine. And right now I doubt I have it all. Nope, I don't. I see some back there. Oh, that's the other ponytail. Well, that'll be an interesting little spot later. Okay. So now we're just gonna kind of run our hands through it and keep going. A big blob of it on my hand here. My very, very pink hand. And we're just gonna run it down. Yeah, the birds are like, what are you doing? The birds are protesting. They don't like it already. They're not happy. They're like, no, you're brighter than we are. All right. So what's your favorite color to dye your hair? Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite dye is, if you have one, or if you're gonna try one of the ones that I've tried to see how it works for you. Now this is not gonna be like everybody else's, obviously. I have white hair most of the time. So yeah, my hair, actually, there's parts of it that just will not take color very well at all. Ooh, look at it. It's already starting to make it kind of a cool purpley color. I don't know if you guys can see that in the sun over here. Very cool. Kind of digging it. All right. Let me go back up here and get this area real good. Make sure that we get this whole area. Oh my goodness. This stuff smells so dang good. This is so much easier to put on than those metal tubes, I'll tell you that. I doubt it's gonna last as long. Well, it might, maybe the pink will last longer than their pink. Honestly, I love the Wella Color Charms hair stuff, guys. I really do. However, their reds and their pinks, not great. At least not from my experience. To be fair, I haven't used red. I've used raspberry. And I think, I can't remember what their brighter pink is, but yeah, I've used, I think it's just a fuchsia was the name of the other one. All right, we're getting it. Getting it in there. This will be really interesting when we're done. Even if it's not for long. I'm going to see Jeff tomorrow. I want to be my pink prettiest self, right? Why not? Uh-oh, I'm dripping. I might have pink eyebrows if I'm not careful. It's getting nice and wet down there. Getting some tanglage situations. I have some of the tangliest hair. See, besides being frizzy as all hell, as most of you, anybody who's ever seen me knows, I get that frizzy hair. My frizzy hair do care. All right. I'm gonna kind of rub it in the front too. My hair is my head's sort of sore. It's not from this. I had pigtails in this morning to do some TikToks. Maybe go over there and check those out if you're a TikTok person. I just added some fun videos I think you'll like. And, oh, I got it on the table. Oh, that's not good. I'm gonna get yelled at for that. But basically, mommy cat, I cannot. My mommy cat's coming out from under the car. She's like, oh, she's out here. She'll pet me. No, I don't think that's a good idea. I'm sorry, honey, I can't. Oh, you know, I can wipe the table off with my shirt, though. Let's do that. There we go. She'll never know. I just don't want it to get on me later either. I will show you the finished product. You guys saw what it looked like in the beginning. All pretty much like pale pink, almost, pretty much. And now we've got some atomic pink. And again, that is Kiss Colors. I don't know if that's the same brand. Looks like the same brand that does the nails. Kiss Colors Temptations. And it is made with aloe vera water, it says. This color is T431, level 8 it says. Very, very cool. All right, well, at least it didn't irritate my skin or nothing like that, so we're good there, but I am gonna have some very pink hands. I don't know what I was thinking. I mean, it's dye. I'm not shocked. Guys, you should send this over to Brad Mondo. Tell him to check it out. It should be funny. The shirt that made, or the video that made this shirt even more dirty is the one you really should watch where I braided my hair. But, you know, beggars can't be choosers. He's a busy guy, but Brad, not sorry, but we'll see how it turns out and see what it looks like when we're done. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna kind of rope it up on my head and I'm gonna clip it again. And I'm gonna leave it on for an hour now. I advise you don't do that. I know my hair pretty well. It says 15 minutes. You should probably not do more than 20. All right, I'm gonna go try to figure out what I'm supposed to do with these monstrously pink hands that I now have. Oh dear, I hope it comes off quickly. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you next time. Peace. Trying to find a finger that's not covered in pink stuff. This one. And here is the results, guys. Here are some of my TikToks just to kind of give you an idea of what my hair looked like immediately after and get an idea of what you guys think. And then I think this was maybe the following day where it had muted down a little bit and dry. It looks a little more like this. And yeah, and it's kind of retained itself for more than a month. I kept the pink in pretty well, and then I did just recently redo it. But I gotta say, overall, this was a lot better product than the Wella turned out to be. So make sure you drop a comment what your favorite is, and follow us over on TikTok as well as some of our other platforms. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll catch you next crazy hair time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.